Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up manage EV charging with SDG&E EV programs step by step clearly. Start by visiting the SDG&E website to explore their EV programs. Locate the section dedicated to electric vehicle charging solutions. Review the available options and incentives tailored for EV owners. Create an account on the SDG&E portal if you haven't already. Log into your account using your credentials. Select the EV charging option from the dashboard menu. Familiarize yourself with the available programs, such as time of use rates. Choose a program that best fits your charging needs and habits. Follow the prompts to enroll in your selected EV program. Enter the necessary information, including your EV model and charging capacity. Next, review the terms and conditions, ensuring you understand the program details. Confirm your enrollment by submitting your application. After enrollment, set up a charging schedule that aligns with your program benefits. Monitor your energy consumption through the SDG&E portal. Adjust your charging times as needed to maximize savings. Stay updated with any changes to SDG&E's EV programs via their website or notifications. Utilize the customer support resources if you encounter any issues or have questions. Engage with online resources and community forums for additional tips and best practices. Regularly review your energy usage to optimize your EV charging strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment in. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.